Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a Kusudama flower. So start off with just a piece of writing paper or any kind of paper, and first of all you need a square. So if you just fold that corner to touch the opposite side and then cut off this piece, you'll have a square. Okay, unfold that. And now that's a square. Now we just need to fold this in half, like that, and then fold that in half, like that. And once you unfold it, you'll have creases so that you can cut that into 4 squares. I'm just going to cut my piece into 4 squares. You actually need 5 squares to do a Kusudama flower, so you'll need 2 pieces of writing paper to do that. Okay, so take one of your squares. Some of them have already got a crease in the middle, which is helpful, and then you're just going to crease it diagonally like that, and then you're going to fold these 2 bottom points up to that top point. So that's the first one. Give it a good crease. And that's the second one. Give it a good crease. Okay, now you're going to fold these pieces so that this line touches this line. Like that. Okay, we'll do the same the other side. So you want this line to touch this line. And give it a good crease. Okay. Now this is the slightly more complicated bit. You're going to fold out one side and put your finger in it. And then squash it back the other way. So using the creases that you've already made, and it will end up like that. Okay, we'll do the same the other side. So unfold it, put your finger or your thumb in it, and fold it back on the same creases the other way. So it ends up looking like that. Now we're going to fold down these 2 pointy bits that we don't need. So that's one. And that's 2. Now these 2 triangles at the side, now these 2 big triangles we're going to fold in half. That's 1. And that's 2. That's all the folding you need to do. Now the next thing you're going to do is curl it in to make it into one of the petals. So you're going to glue that piece to that piece. So I've got PVA glue. You can use Pritt stick. Just put glue on that triangle there. And then you're going to curl it round so that you can glue those 2 pieces together. Now you don't want to squash it flat at this stage, so I usually just pinch those bits in the middle together and then just pinch the top together like that. Just hold it for a bit until it's glued. Okay, so here are some I made earlier. So you can see I've got that nice little bit of veins inside. So you'll need 5 of these to glue together to make a flower. So you're going to glue just down here next to the join that you made before. And just a little bit of glue down there, down to the point, and then you need to press those 2 seams together. So you'll just need to hold it for a little while for that glue to take. Okay, so now we've got the 2 together. Okay, now I'm going to glue on another one, so just put some glue along that seam again. And put the seam of this third piece up against the seam of the other two and just hold it for that glue to take. Okay, so now we've got 3 pieces together. So you just need to put 2 more of those petals together and you'll have a Kusudama flower. So here is a Kusudama flower. So it's got that nice pointed bit at the back. So you can stop there if you like. You can put that on a card or put it on a stem in a vase. But if you want to, if you make 6 of these flowers, you can actually stick them all together to make a little posy, so that you'll glue the points together of each flower. So you'll end up with a posy that looks like this. So you've got one in the middle and then it's stuck by the points to the other flowers. So that's 5 round the outside and 1 in the middle. And then if you do another one like that, another little posy, you can stick them together, again sticking the points together, and you end up with a Kusudama ball. And it's lovely and solid now, so you can display that wherever you like. Thank you very much for listening.